Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro to the application. In the previous video we install and set up the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video at this channel. We have it for your iPhone or for Android device. Now let's move to adding this device to the application. And to do this, firstly we need to pair these earbuds with the phone, open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. If you have Android, click pair new device and after that open the charging case. Now it should enter to prank mode automatically. But we can also enter to prank mode manually. After a factory reset, these earbuds also enter to prank mode automatically, but let's enter to prank mode manually. At the bottom of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this light starts blinking. Here we go, and now we should see it as a device list. Right here we have it. Click on it. And if you have Android, also click pair. After you tap on it, you will see a window. Now you can hide the settings and open the application. Click add earphones, and as you can see, it already finds this earbud, so click on it. No, it was just a bug here, so if you had the same, just go back as I did. And yeah, it automatically added here, so we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.